Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Madain Agustin with NPM 2441225. Class Executive 24A. We will be present the material Documentation Technique Quiz. Definition of Documentation Technique Quiz. Documentation technique quiz are methods used to record, organize, and explain information in a clear and structured way. In business and information system, documentation is very important because it helps employees understand work process, responsibilities, and data flow. Good documentation can reduce mistakes, improve communication, and make work easier. This slide explanation that documentation techniques are methods used to record, organize, and explain information so that it is easy for everyone in the company to understand. Documentation is very important because it helps employees know how a job is done, who is responsible, and what steps must be followed. With good documentation, a company can work in a more organized way and reduce error. Purpose of documentation. The main purpose of documentation is to provide clear information about activity, system, and procedure. Documentation helps employees follow the correct work steps. In addition, documentation is also useful for training new employees, maintaining consistency, and supporting decision making. This slide explains that documentation is created so that every work process has a clear grid. With documentation, employees can know what to do without always asking their supervisor. Documentation also helps companies ensure that all work is done in the same way so the results are more consistent. In addition, documentation makes it easier to train new employees. Types of documentation. There are several types of documentation used in organization, such as written reports, manual, forms, characters, flowchart, and diagram. Each type of documentation has a different function depending on the information that needs to be explained. The slide explains that documentation is not only in the form of writing, but it can also be present as picture, diagrams, table, or flowchart. Written reports are usually used to explain the result of activity, while flowcharts are used to explain the sequence of work process. With this different type of documentation, the companies can choose the most suitable way to present information. Narrative documentation. Narrative documentation is a documentation technique that explains a process in paragraph form, which technically describes the step of an activity using words and sentences. Narrative documentation is easy to create, but sometimes it can be difficult to understand if the explanation is too long. Uh, This technique is usually used to explain process in detail, such as customer service procedure or work procedure in a company. The advantage of narrative documentation is that it is easy to create because it only uses ordinary sentence. However, if the explanation is too long, readers may become bored and find it difficult to understand the content. Flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that shows the sequence of activities in a process. A flow uses symbols such as arrow, rectangle, and diamonds to explain the workflow. Flowchart make it easier to understand complete process because the information is present visually. Present visually. Uh, Diagram that show the step of a job from beginning to end. Flowchart usually use curtain symbols to show process decision, input and output. With flowchart, people can understand a process more easily because the information is so visually. This technique is often used in companies, school, and information system. Data flow diagram DFD. A data flow diagram or DFD is used to show how data move within a system. A DFD explains where data comes from, how it is processed, and where it is seen. This technique is often used in information system and system analysis. This slide explains that a data flow diagram is used to describe the movement of data in a system. With a DFD, a company can understand how data enters the system is processed, stored, and used. For example, in a sales system, a DFD can show how customer data enters the system, is processed into transaction, and then produce sales reports. Organization chart. An organization chart is a diagram that shows the structure of a company or institution. It explains the relationship between position, department, and employees. This type of documentation helps people understand who is responsible for a task. This slide explanation that an organization chart is used to show the structure of position in a company. It helps employees know what their supervisors are, what their works are, and which department is responsible for certain tasks. With an organization chart, the division of tasks become clear and more organization. Decision table. Decision table. A decision table is a documentation tool used to show different conditions and the action that should be taken. It is usually arranged in rows and columns. A decision table is very useful when a process has many possible decisions. This slide explains that a decision table helps companies determine action based on certain conditions. For example, if a customer pays on time, the goods can be delivered, but if the customer has not paid yet, the delivery is delayed. With a decision table, companies can see possible action more easily and reduce mistake in decision making. Importance of good documentation. Good documentation is very important because it can improve communication, reduce errors, and save time. Employees can work more effectively if they have clear instruction. Documentation is also useful for audits, evaluation, and future improvements. This slide explains the benefit of good documentation for a company. Clear documentation helps employees understand their tasks so work can be complete more quickly and accurately. In addition, documentation is useful when a company conducts audits or evaluation because a process has been recorded properly. Good documentation also makes it easier for companies to improve mistakes in the future. Conclusion. Documentation techniques are very important in business and information systems. Various techniques such as narrative documentation, flowchart, DFD, organization chart, and decision table help explain process clearly. By using good documentation, companies can improve efficiency and make better decisions. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.